All right. Looking scruffy. Look at that. It's time to get cleaned up. It's time for a Sunday shave. I tell you what, in the last, 5 years, there have been more products designed to facilitate the beauty of men as we evolve on our metrosexual journey. So for this Sunday shave, I'm actually going to be responding to a viewer who told me they wanted me to show the leaf shave again. And I'm also going to show another product, this product here, for this rat's nest of a head that I have. BYRD Purifying Shampoo. Now we all need a little purifying for all hair types. Now it's got red algae, green tea, aloe vera, sea salt from the Pacific Ocean. Nice premium brand of shampoo for us metrosexual types. And it's made in California. The scent is salty coconut, guys. So if you want to feel relaxed and you want to feel fine, when you put this on, it's a nice calming, relaxed feel you have. You know you're putting great products on your scalp, and you have the benefit of smelling really good. BYRD Purifying Shampoo. All right, so we're gonna be showing this today as part of Sunday Shave, and I'm gonna pull out the leaf razor and show you that. Looking old and cranky. So first things first, here is the leaf shave razor for William Corella, who reached out to me and said he wanted me to do more reviews or more videos using leaf. Now, the claim to fame for leaf shave is really the move or the trend towards the DE razor. Leaf shave brings the world of the cartridge razor and marries it to the double edge razor with the addition of one blade. Yeah, it looks similar to your cartridge razor, right? It has some of the features, pivoting head, some protection up here. But the beauty here is this system for William Corella. It has a series of these plates or steps, and you can load up half of a double edge razor, and you can customize your shave. If you wanted to use one blade, you could use one blade. I'm not sure why you would, but this is actually half of a razor blade. And the cool thing about it is there are 3 of these steps, 3 layers. So that's the second blade, 3 blades. You could go with 2 blades or 1 blade. All right, so we're gonna use this today. The good thing about this is it's magnetized, guys. So when you load up your blades and you put them into place, if you've got big hands or butter fingers, you just put it on and it's there, and then you can adjust it into place. Again, it's magnetized, and then it slots in behind these teeth, and there you go. There's a little way to tighten that up, and you have 3 blades, a 3-bladed sort of DE feel with the benefits of some protection that you would get with more of your advanced cartridge razor. I'll put links in the description box below so you can get both of these products, probably. And let's get going. Why am I waiting? William Corella. All right, guys, so fresh out of the shower, I'll do 1 pass with the leaf shave, and then I'll do 1 pass of the shampoo. I'm using my HIS Retro 3D synthetic badger hairbrush from the fine folks at FM Brush Company, the Beauty Strokes line for us metrosexuals. Links in the description box below for all this stuff, guys. Now, the beauty of this brush, quickly, there's 2 tiers, hence 3D, and that second tier allows you to really paint the face, get into those pores, if you will. massage the face. You know, look at that. See the cream that, yeah. So if you want to really lather it on, use the side of the brush. But for the nice massaging action, you use that patented 3D head of the brush. All right, lather skills are still a little weak, guys. I'm not fronting that I'm a expert in the lather game or anything, by the way. I just need to shave. William Carella. Here we go, bro. Leaf shave, guys. All right, hair grows down on the face, so I'm gonna go with the grain on the first pass, and I'm gonna let the device do the work. Now, many of us, we dig at our face, right? We're harsh to our, this is the most important thing you have, guys. Until you find the one, and then it doesn't matter. After that, doesn't matter what you do. But while you're looking, you want to be kind to your face. All right, here we go. So nice, even strokes. Firm, but you're not digging, you're shaving. And you hear that, those blades working? Nice and smooth, guys. Beautiful. Smooth, no worry. Because of all the protection, this large flat piece of metal here protects your face from those blades. Do you hear that? So it's a DE feel and the economy of DE blades without really as much of the scare of actually getting into a DE blade. And you see that flex, that pivot. All right, now the one issue I have with leaf shave, because this is so wide up here, the first blade is down here, getting into this space is kind of hard. So you're left with an area of hair that you just can't get to. They've come out with a single bladed trimmer called the Twig. And that's kind of the downside. I wish they would redesign this maybe a little bit, but I am not complaining about this shave. Very nice. All right, so hair on the neck is growing this way. So I'm gonna flip these blades up and I'm gonna shave up. You hear that blade? Look at that. Beautiful, guys. Another thing about the metal, I kind of like a warm feel. I know Gillette's touting like this heated razor. Well, with this blade here, you throw it under some warm water and heat, right? Metal conducts heat and you have a nice warm feel. You don't want to get too warm because you can damage your skin. Or if you like cold, put some cold water on that puppy. Look at that, guys. William Carella. All right, I have a tip for you novices. Folks that suffer like me with a large Adam's apple, and it's always you're worried about cutting yourself up. All right, 2 ways to shave around your Adam's apple or shave the Adam's apple area. All right, I'll put some cream on there so you can see it. So you can slide the skin over and shave, right? Or you can swallow hard and hold it. And that eliminates the Adam's apple from play. All right, so there we go. One quick shave or pass in the books, guys. And if you can see, I just can't reach those spots, so I'm gonna have to pull the twig out, or I'll pull out my one blade, which I love and use with any traditional shave to get in these areas. But now we're gonna switch gears and we're gonna go with the BYRD Purifying Shampoo. Now let me show you how it comes out, guys. See that? It comes out clear. And you don't need much. Especially if you got thin spots like me. Oh, but the smell. My hair's already damp because I've been in the shower. Oh, smells good. And feels nice and beautiful. I wish we had smell-o-vision, guys. So I'm gonna leave that in a little bit. And I'll go with the second pass. Lather up. My second pass is generally a cross grain pass. And nice long smooth strokes, guys. You hear that? That's just another way to attack the hair. Because in general, hair grows in one direction, but like people, some hair follicles do their own thing. Multiple passes means you can address some of those hairs that are out of step. Again, look at that. You hear that blade doing the work, guys? It's a beautiful way to shave, guys. Feels good. It's nice and smooth, worry-free, nick-free for the most part. And effective. And it's like shaving with a piece of art. Substantial, too. William Corella. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna wash the shampoo out of my hair. I don't wanna leave it in too long, guys. So let me do that and I'll be back in a second via the magic of video. My hair is smelling so good. And being that I'm doing multiple passes with the razor, I'm not gonna rip the folks at BYRD off. I'll do a multiple passes of application of this shampoo because it's just so fine. Let's show a little bit more lather this time. Now I have thinning hair, so I don't like to put too much shampoo on, but for the purposes of this video, and just because I like the smell of it, I'm doing the second pass so you can see it does produce a nice lather, guys. And I'm gonna leave that in a little bit just because. I'll go with my third and final pass with the leaf shave. And that's gonna be against the grain. FM brush, Retro 3D. I look like Wheezy. I'm gonna start applying some cold water because I want a tingly cold feel now. All right, so hair grows on the face down. I'm gonna shave against the grain, so I'm flipping the razor up for William Corella. And this is just your final get right pass. Again, guys, smooth, firm strokes. Oh, yeah. I'm feeling no pain and I'm feeling fine. Feeling and smelling fine too. Hair on my neck's growing up, so I can use the razor as in the traditional orientation. Swallow hard and hold it. Protect that Adam's apple. Nice smooth shave. Baby fine and beautiful. Look at me, I'm looking good. Let me just get this shampoo out of my hair. But before I do, I want to thank you all for watching this Sunday Shave, or this episode of Sunday Shave. Again, 3 great products, starting with my beautiful HIS Retro 3D synthetic badger hair brush from the beautiful folks at FM Brush. The BYRD Purifying Shampoo for us metrosexuals that want to smell fine and look fine. And for William Corella, the Leaf Shave Hybrid DE cartridge hybrid razor with a retro feel. Thank you all for watching. Links below, guys. Get out and have a great Sunday. I will see you next time. But in the meantime, remember. Keep push and play, y'all. And I'll see you now. Maybe I'll leave this purifying hair. I need to be purified. So maybe I'll just leave it in all day. I'll see you next time. Yep. I'll see you next time, yeah.